Welcome to day 2 of Mrs. Hewitt's word study sessions. So yesterday we looked at the word cover, the root word, and we built some words around that. Today we're going to look at a new word for you. Your word today is play. Okay, so already I bet you're thinking of some words that you can think of that have got play in it somewhere. So play comes from the Old English plegan, which means to exercise. So all the words that you can think of, if they've got play in, probably something to do with exercising. So I'm going to show you your morpheme frame, and then just like before, you're going to build some words using those different morphemes, okay? So I'll give you a close-up in a minute. I'm just going to explain how it works for you again. So pick your prefix from the first column, attach it to your root morpheme. That's the bit that has got the real meaning in it, okay? So all these words are going to relate to that word play. And then you've got your suffixes that you add onto the end. So I'm going to put a nice close-up for you so you can pause the video, have a little competition, maybe with somebody at home, or you can work by yourself, see how many you can get, see if we get the same ones, and then we'll go through some words afterwards, okay? Okay, let's see how you did. So I have got some here. Haven't written all the words that you could do because there would be quite a lot, but obviously you can check them off yourself, think about what they mean, and then we'll do some sentence writing afterwards, okay? So here are the words that I made. You can see at the top, I've got plays with the S. Again, that S could be a plural if we're using play as a noun, like I went to watch a play, or I went to watch some plays at the theatre. And then play the verb, so it's something that you do. She plays football, okay, for example. We've got playing, which is the continuous verb form. So it could be present continuous, I am playing, or it could be in the past, she was playing, which means it was happening at the time. That's why it's the continuous tense. We've got replay. So we learned yesterday that means to do again. So the word replay is literally play it again. Think about in football, you might have a replay of a match. So replay, to do again. We've got player. So you can see here, we've got the So the when it makes a noun like that, when it attaches to the verb, it can mean that it's somebody that does. So you've got like player is somebody that plays, farmer, somebody that farms. So the there is to do with the person doing it. I've put 3 together there, players. Display, got a little star by because we're going to come back to that one. Because you might be thinking, you know what the word display means. What's that got to do with exercise? And you'd be right to think that. So we're going to come back to that, and I'm going to talk about that in just a second because that's a bit different. Okay, playful. This is one that I do want to talk to you about because a really common spelling mistake is this ending here, playful. You need to notice I only got one L. There's a really good reason for that. I'm going to take us back to our morpheme grid to explain it. So if you can look here, okay, down the bottom, we've got playful. The full morpheme there makes the verb into an adjective. So it describes something. So it could be the dog was playful, the girl was playful, okay? And then if we add this morpheme on the end, the ly, that makes it an adverb. So she threw the ball playfully. So you only get the double L when you combine these 2 morphemes together. But if you are just writing playful, it's only one L on the end. Really, really important spelling rule, that is. If you think of your other words like hopeful, 1 L, hopefully, because it's got that ly, double L. So that's a really common mistake and one that you really need to learn, okay? So we have got, you can see on the end there, I've got playful and then I've got playfully. So 2 L's for playfully because it's combining those morphemes, playful, 1 L. Okay, display. I want to talk to you about the word display because we know that dis means apart or away from, okay? And in this case, the word play is not from the Old English plegan, it's actually from the Latin plicare, which means to fold, okay? So actually, display means to unfold or to scatter, to spread out. Basically, it means not folded in. So that is why we have the word display. It's that where that plicare, the Latin, has changed over time and taken on the morpheme play in English. So it isn't related to exercise at all. But we know that we do use the word display. Okay, so you might have got displaying or displayed as one of your words. So hopefully you got lots of words then. You can pick a couple, write some sentences, remembering all your other sentence rules like your capital letters and full stops, concentrating on your spelling, most importantly concentrating on your spelling of these words that we've done today. Okay, thank you again, hope you're working very hard, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.